Go. I'm going to go over the week 4, chapter 1 assignment. We're going to start numbering these since we just moved past the introduction. So this is the first the first assignment in the new unit. First thing you're going to do is going to be watch the video. That's this video that I'm making right now, which will be on this Google Doc. Okay. Then you're going to listen to the audio. I input the audio right here. Anyone can listen to this. Then you're going to answer the questions in the Google Doc. That's this Google Doc right here. That will open you up to this page. There are 4 questions. All of these questions are answered in the audio and then also the text that Mr. Nitz is going to upload at some point. I should actually add that on here. So 3. Follow along with the text. I have to change these. 4, 5. Okay. So the questions are, in case you need help, how does the author Jason Reynolds define segregationist, assimilationist, and anti-racist in chapter 1? You will write your answers in these boxes. The author in the audio says, this is how I define them. You need to listen to that part and then write it into those boxes. Where was the world's first racist from? So what country or continent was the world's first racist from? Jason Reynolds, as he's saying, he tells us in the story where they're from, so you just need to listen closely, then write it in that box. Who was the world's first racist? I want you to listen carefully, try your best to sound out the name, it's a very long name, and put it into that box. And some of you might get a clue from some of the questions on here who it is. And number 4, Gomez Yanez de Zurara wrote a book that enslaving black persons from Africa was what God wanted. Okay, so that's an example of a racist idea. All right, so was this a new or old racist idea? So was Gomez Yanez de Zurara, was he the first person to come up with this racist idea, or was this an old racist idea? Okay, that's all I want in here is new or old. All right, simple enough. If you have questions, right? If you have questions, listen to the audio again and again and again. Here, let's put this in the front actually. So we'll go, if you need help, listen to the audio again and again and again. All right, and that is it for our big assignment for week 4. At the end of the week, you'll also have another Newsela assignment, and that is all.